like roots cut from a tree. My twisted limp physique needs you here with me. My fingers will lose grip, my legs beneath will trip. Lord, lead me by the hand, 'cause I can barely stand. This walk at first is awkward. I stumble and I cry in pain, but you gently pull me forward, and I know this isn't in vain.